6.5, graphing quadratics in vertex form. So standard form, which we've been talking about, is ax squared plus bx plus c. Here's vertex form. Remember, this is the same thing as y right here. F of x is the same thing as y. And remember, we can say here it equals 0, or we can say equals y. So you gotta understand that some of these terms are interchangeable. Okay, so in vertex form, A adjusts the stretch of the vertex. Is it wide? Is it stretched like thin? Is it wider? Okay, kind of like the slope. All right. H and K move the vertex. Okay. So let's start with A. This part of the equation tells you several things. We've already talked about it being up or down. Okay, we already talked about that, the smile and the frown. But it also tells you whether it's skinny or fat. So if A is between 0 and 1, then it's wider. If A is greater than 1, it's skinnier because it's climbing faster. All right? So if A is bigger than 1, it's skinnier. If A is a fraction between 0 and 1, it's wider, compressed. Okay, when vertex form is used, the vertex can be obtained from HK. Take the opposite of H and use the same sign for K. So, here's H, here's K. What's the opposite of 2? -2. And then 4, we just write. -2, 4. Now, is that going up or down? Remember, this tells you whether it's going up or down. What? It's going up. It doesn't tell you about how. It doesn't tell you it's not a slope, it's a parabola. But it tells you whether it's going up or down. If it's positive, remember up here, it says, if A is less than 0, it's down. If A is greater than 0, it's up. So A is the number in front of the parentheses. So this is A right here. If it's positive, that means it's going up. Now, the shape, is that wider or narrower, skinnier? 1/2. It tells you right here. If A is between 0 and 1, it's wider. If it's greater than 1, it's skinnier. So is 1/2 bigger than 1 or between 0 and 1? Okay, so it's wider. Okay, let's look at this. What's the opposite of -5? 5. And then K goes right here. Here's my A. Is it opening up or down? Is it narrower or wider? Narrow, because it's bigger than 1. It's greater than 1. So it's, now you might say, well, hey, -2 is less than 1. It's a whole number, okay? Okay, HK. What's the opposite of 6? -6. And that goes right there. Is it opening up or down? Down. Is it wider or narrower? What? Narrower. Here we go. What's my H? 8. What's my K? Careful. What's my A? What number's right here? Do you see -2 right there? What number's there? It's not there, but it's really there. 1. There's a 1 right there that we don't write. So my A is 1. Up or down? Up. And if it's 1, is that greater than 1? Is it between 0 and 1? No. No change. not wider. It's not narrower. It's just what it is. So, what's my vertex? 2, 1. So I go here to 2 and here to 1. Okay? Is it wider or narrower? What is this? First off, is it up or down? Yeah. And 2 is going to make it narrower. Alright? Now, we know we need to make an XY table, obviously. But we always want to put our vertex kind of in the middle, right? Alright? Yeah. And then we just count backwards, 1, 0, 3, 4. Okay? Count backward a couple. Now we're just going to plug the numbers in. And this is even quicker sometimes. 1 minus 2 is -1. Squared is times 2 is plus 1 is 3. So 1, 3. 0. That's easy. 0 minus 2 is -2. Squared is 2. Squared is times 2 is plus 1 is 9. So 0, 9. 3. 3 times 2 is 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 2 is 1. Squared is
1.
Times 2 is
2.
Plus 1 is
3.
Right? So 3, 3. What do we think 4 is going to give us? 9. And you just, that's it. So let's do number 7. I'm not going to do all these. Number 7. Okay? What's my vertex? 4, 2. Okay? Is it opening up or down? Down. So I'll make my XY table. I put 4, 2 like right here in the middle. I count back 2. I count up 2. Alright? I put 4, 2 on my graph. Now, plug in 3. 3 minus 4 is? 3 minus 4 is -1. Squared is? 1 times 2 is? Times -2 is? -2 plus 2 is? 0. Let's do 5. 5 minus 4 is? This is going to be 0. 5 minus 4 is? It should be a hard part. 5 minus 4 is? 1. Squared is 1, which we already have, so that's going to lead us to 0. Yes, 5, 0. So 2. 2 minus 4 is?
Repeat the question.
2 minus 4 is -2. -2 squared is?
4.
4 times -2 is?
-8.
-8 plus 2 is? -6. So 2, -6. What do you think 5 and 6 is going to give us? -6. And there's my parabola right there. Okay? The same thing over and over. Alright?